Welcome to another vlog from Who's Who. We're here today. I'm getting some water to go on the farm. I know you guys have been seeing me stopping to get a lot of water recently. It's not because of drought. I want the tanks to stay full, so I'm actually trying to, do a lot more water trips. Not that water is not at the farm, but we're just trying to keep the farm running at a specific level. Today is the day. If you notice, my attire is different. We're actually going to do some work on the farm today. So you guys can actually see a lot of stuff today. Like, I'm going to build a next container in the next pasture, so you're gonna see that today. We're gonna do some fencing as well. I bought a Premier fence last week. I didn't get to show you on the video, but this week we'll be putting it around the farm in some areas that I think I need to, fix up a little bit, because as I said, we're getting some new cows and we want to ensure that the pasture is in perfect condition before they arrive. And if you don't know anything about cows, let me tell you, once you get a new animal, a new cow, what they're going to do is they're going to search for the weakest part of the fence. So anywhere you think there's a weak spot, you need to get it fixed from early, because they're going to escape. Because that's all they're thinking about for the first 2 weeks that they're there, to escape. And if they realize that they can't find any way that they can jump out, they're just going to settle and just accept life. So I discovered that there's 2 weak spots on the farm. I'm going to fix it today. So you guys are going to see that. So that's it. That's what's going to happen today.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed.
We're ready to shovel. Sorry, never peer tree yet, so I can't make it dead. You can't see this highway. Really? Yeah, so now I'm going to smoke away into the bucket a while ago. Peer tree, man. You did a moose out of the idea right now, I say. So this was supposed to be a goat pen. However, I changed my mind at the last minute. It was fully built and everything. As you can see there, barbed wires around. This is where the cows sleep now, as you can see from the massive amounts of cow dung. But I changed my mind at the last minute because of security reasons. And I didn't want my animals mixing together. So that's what happened here. I'm still going to use the straw. Figured I'd just put a few more blocks on it and make it be a second trough in this pasture. So we still have plans for it. I'm going to remove all the bag wires. I'm going to use them somewhere else. So yeah, that's just some of the plans we have right now. We're trying to finish up all these things by the end of the month, but we arrived late today. There's a lot of things that happened today that really threw off the day. We arrived about 3 o'clock and we were supposed to be here from around 10 or 11 o'clock. But that's just how it is, you know. We just have to just keep moving forward and doing what we have to do. So for today, what we're going to do is finish the second trough over there, and next week we'll probably work on this trough, and also we're gonna fence the end of the pasture down that side because we want to utilize the barrow. Yeah, but we had a lot of stumbles today. I don't know, I lost a friend today this morning and it's kind of throwing me off a bit today in my video. So I just want to just hurry up and do what I have to do today and just go home and just relax, you know, because I went home earlier today and I saw his brother and he's not looking so well, so I just want to just go home and just, you know, trying to see what's really happening with him. So forgive me if I'm a little bit off today, but that's what's really bothering me. that's going to be it for the day. As you can see, it's getting a bit dark. We're not able to complete all that we said, but trust me, there will be a part 2 to the video, and we're gonna follow through on our promise of showing you guys what we're doing today. So remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Remember, any questions you have, I'll always answer. If you look in the comments, you can see I always answer your questions. Peace.